Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across this TV, please do well to subscribe to it and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out each time we upload a new gist. Reality star and brand influencer Dorathy has surprised her sister Cynthia with a brand new car on her birthday. The lookalike sister Cynthia clocked a new age some hours ago, and Dorathy decided to show the world how much she meant to her. The beautiful screen diva, who has been on top of her game ever since she left the Big Brother Njia reality show, surprised her sister with a brand new wife that would have cost her some fortune. Dorathy's sister was overwhelmed with joy as she received the gift that showed the siblings has been able to build a good relationship among themselves. Check out this video and let me know what you think.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, useless. Bruce, are you with the TV? Oh, when I met you, just like that, we became lovers, just like that, we meant to be forever, just like that. I woke up without you, life became harder, just like that. Nights became longer, just like that. If I could time travel, just like that, I wake up beside you again. Good on me, for this economy. As I don't get money, even me say go fun for me. The money will look good on me, for this economy. As I don't get money.